Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time with me, don't forget to click the subscribe button, ring the notification bell, comment, like and share. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support. You've been so wonderful. I moisturize my face to preserve the smoothness, to avoid breaking out, and also to protect it from harmful ultraviolet rays. Here, I will be using milk of magnesium as my primer. It covers pores, keeps the face matte, and also makes makeup last longer. It is recommended for everyone using makeup. When it comes to creating the perfect look, there is one type of makeup that literally lays the foundation for all else. Liquid foundation is the most popular types of foundation with good reason. It glides on easily and is a good choice. It also tends to provide the heaviest coverage and are best used if there are larger patches of skin you are looking to even out. Blend it out all over your face, to your neck and your shoulders for a more uniform color. Highlighting and contouring is a beauty trend that has gained extensive popularity recently. Highlighting helps accentuate the existing glow of your face where the sun naturally hits it and makes it seem as though it is illuminated from within. Lightly apply the concealer along the bridges of your nose, the tops of your cheekbone, your cubic bow, and just below your eyebrows, and also try to extend it to your shoulder bone. Contouring helps make parts of your face stand out and appear slimmer and more defined. Contour is applied on the sides of the nose, under the cheekbone, and around the top of your forehead. Then I will use a yellow tone setting powder that suits all skin tone to bake my makeup. I apply it on the highlighted areas. It helps reduce shine on those areas. Here I'll be using a translucent powder in compact form, which looks white in pan but are nearly invisible on the face. It sets the makeup perfectly without adding any color to it. This eyeliner gel is the key to adding soft, natural looking definition to acts. Lightly outline a clean line under the brows. Do not start from the beginning of your brows because it tends to be heavy. Start from the most sparse areas, which will prevent the brows from looking overdrawn. Then repeat the same process on the same brows. Then I started combing through with my eyebrow mascara. In addition to giving brows a dramatic, defined look, it can also give brows a subtle hold Those with very sparse brows and looking for a quick way to fill them in will love to use this. Continue filling it in the direction of your hairline. I will use a concealer that is 2 shades lighter to conceal the arc of the brows so as to keep that place highlighted and awoken. Then I will use a concealer that is the color of my foundation to conceal the tail of the brows and the beginning of it so as it doesn't have any harsh line. Then I will also use a concealer that is the color of my foundation too to conceal the top of my brows. Then I dipped an angled brush with short stiff bristles in the gel liner. Then brushed on with light short strokes. Then after, you can finish by filling in the inner corners of your brows with upward and outward strokes. For my smoky eyeshadow look, I will be starting from the upper crease to sweep out eyeshadow in the shade pink, then use a darker color which is purple to darken it. Then I applied my eyeshadow primer to make the color pop out well. I started by filling in with my black matte eyeshadow. Continued filling in till I got the intensity I wanted there. Then repeated the same process on the other eyelid. I continued dapping the black matte eyeshadow on the eyeshadow primer. Then I used another color which is purple to diffuse the two colors so that there appears no harsh line there. Also primed and set the lower eyelid and also applied my eyeshadow there. Just like mascara, eyeliner can also add the little extra something needed to really make your eye look packed a bunch. Black eyeliner is often considered a staple. Then I winged it out at the edge of my eyes. Here I will be highlighting my tear dots. Then lined my eyeliner there too. I will be dusting out the excess setting powder on my face with a compact pressed powder. This powder is used to set makeup, add some coverage, and mattify the skin. Blush is especially necessary if you are wearing a foundation with more opaque coverage, which can sometimes leave your complexion looking a little bit flat. Be careful not to go too light or too dark, or this can make you look like a clone. For a more slimmer facial look, I will apply contour under the cheekbone, around the top of my forehead, the bottom of my chin, the jaw lines, and also the sides of my nose. Much like primer, setting spray works to keep your makeup in place all day. I'll be outlining my eye sockets with my glitters liner in the shade orange. To avoid the chapped lips, I applied my lip gloss, then outlined the lips with a dark shade, then went ahead to apply a lighter shade on the pout of the lips. I used my lip brush to blend it out. With my lip brush, I will be concealing the lips to make it apply a bit smaller in shape. Then clean out the excesses around it. After that, I will highlight the V shape there. Then I applied my bronzer on the highlighted areas. For a more luminous glow, I went in to apply my illuminator on the apples of my cheek, my jaw, the tip of my nose, and on my forehead. Then blended with the tip of my finger. This illuminator is in liquid formulation, which makes it easier to blend. Be careful to blend it before it dries out. Then use my bronzer brush to blend it all out. Glued my lashes and then place it on my lash line.
If you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to also like, comment, subscribe and share. Thank you.